Barbie needed another key for her Jeep because she only had one, and you don't want to be a fool and lose your only key. So she came to Tom's Key Company to make a spare. Just come to tomskey.com and find your vehicle. We have solutions for thousands and thousands of vehicles to help you make a spare key without leaving home. Now this video demonstrates on a Jeep Wrangler that's identical for 2007 to 2018 vehicle key programming. And it's the same for a lot of other Jeep vehicles as well. Now, at tomskey.com, we have keys available for Jeep Wranglers from 2001 all the way to 2025 in both turnkey ignition and push-button start vehicles. And we're always working to add more. In a few days, your spare key or keys will show up in the mail along with a programming device. From there, it just takes a few minutes right in your driveway to make a spare key. Check this out. Here we have our one working key for this 2008 Jeep Wrangler. It's got the tile key finder. Pick one of these up, pair with your smartphone so you can always find your key. And then here's our new one, cut with the key by photo key cutting service. It's important to note that you need one working key to program a spare with the help of Tom's Key Company. Watch how easy it is to program this. Come in here and fire up the app. Key pairing. Tells me to scan the QR code with the serial number, not the help QR code on the back. There we go. Okay, gives us a few important notes. We need Wi-Fi. We've got all the keys for the vehicle, both new and original. Pairing tool, and it warns us that aftermarket parts can sometimes cause problems, so use care and your own risk, like an aftermarket alarm or aftermarket remote start. This is a Jeep Wrangler. We have a 2008. Okay, blade key. That's what we want. Come down near your gas and brake pedal, find the OBD 2 port, plug your programmer in. If you want to make your life a little easier, pick up one of these extension cables so you can see the programmer while you're doing your work. Programmer plugged in, we'll hit next. Searching for the Bluetooth device, we got to get this light blue. Sometimes there may be a firmware update required. Here's the serial number. So let's see if we can get this thing paired. There we go, pairing request. Excellent, just turned blue, so now they're communicating. Now the software will check that we have the current version of the firmware. If not, this will turn red, which is perfectly normal while it does a firmware update. Okay, there may be some downloads. You may need to download something for Jeep. Turn the ignition on within 30 seconds. So I'm going to take my original working key, put it in the ignition and turn it on. 2 clicks to on and run position. Okay, it's now communicating with the vehicle. It's important to know that you can only use this programmer with one vehicle. You can use it to make multiple keys for your vehicle, up to the maximum the vehicle will allow. Okay, take the original key and start the vehicle. Okay, starting the engine. Engine fired up with that working key. Okay, hit next. Checking the vehicle status. Engine's still busy running. Turn off the ignition. Okay, next. Up to 8 keys can be paired. Tells me there's currently 3 with the vehicle. That's interesting because this key is the only working key that we have for this vehicle. So there's 2 more lost somewhere in the world for the vehicle. And we're going to be making 1 more today. Turn the ignition on within 30 seconds, ensuring the engine is turned off. Okay, taking my working key. Okay, we're now communicating with the vehicle. Notice we have a blinking red security light up here. All right, tells us to insert the new key and turn the ignition on. Do not start the engine. So I'm taking out the existing working key, putting the new key into the ignition, turn it 2 clicks to the on or run position. Notice that security light blinking, and hit OK. All right, countdown. We got 30 seconds. The light's busy blinking. Heard a beep, the light's solid. Pairing the key, and it announces key pairing's complete. Excellent. Could that be any easier? Okay, that's done. Let's unplug our programmer. Let's pull this out. Okay, let's test out this new key. Fire up the engine. Notice the security light turned on solid, and it turned off. That means it's programmed. If that security light had been blinking, it means there's a problem. Be sure to look for the Ultimate Key Bundle on tomskey.com. It has everything you need to make a spare: the programmer, the key or fob, and the key by photo service. All right, here's the magic of our key by photo key cutting technology. This is pretty cool. As you add your keys to your cart, be sure you select the key by photo service. Once you complete checkout, make sure your key is flat and your phone directly above the key when you take pictures. Upload those to our website, and then with our key by photo key cutting technology, we'll cut your spare key so it arrives already fitting your vehicle. Here's the key, cut by photo with our key by photo technology. Check it out, and it fits. Isn't that amazing? A key cut by a picture fits the vehicle. Can you believe car dealerships want to charge hundreds and hundreds of dollars to make a spare key when you can do it with the help of Tom's Key Company in about 15 minutes? Now, if you run into problems, no worries. Reach out to us, help@tomskey.com. We provide amazing customer service and have a full money-back guarantee. So if you don't get your new key working, ship everything back, let us know for your full refund. If you've lost all your keys, I'm sorry about that. Go check out our All Keys Lost section, where we'll point you to a company that can come to you and help you make a spare. Be sure you smash the like button and subscribe so you can find this video again when it's time for you to program a spare key, and help YouTube share it with other people. Also, leave a comment. Let others know what the car dealership wanted to charge you, or just how easy it was for you to make a spare without leaving home. Come visit tomskey.com, order your spare key and programmer today.